What's up mga bro? Natapos na naman ang ating inaabang-abangan na pakarera ng PGC ngayong araw ng linggo na kung saan nakita natin ang tinanghal na champion ng ating first leg triple crown na walang iba kundi si Isabel na ginabayan ni JB Hernandez. So dito panoorin natin yung naging impresibong takbo ni Isabel na kung saan nagbakbakan sila ni Diamante hanggang una, ikalawa at ikatlong oktabo. Pero makita natin dyan na kinungusan pa rin ni Isabel bandang huli si Diamante. Kaya ang tinanghal na first leg triple crown champion ay walang iba kundi si Isabel.
The point, and it is Isabel going together with Diamante, and they're 4 and 5 in advance of Black Eagle. 4 back to Fairfield, and Bermuda Triangle is just starting to pick up the bridle now as I speak and make a bit of steady ground. Tempo's been good as they run towards that 800 metre corner, and it's the inside Isabel, the outside Diamante, back in third Black Eagle and being pushed along a bit Black Eagle. Now Bermuda Triangle spots some 8 or 9 lengths, but he's starting to wind up, and Fairfield has been relegated to the tail of the field. Isabel the inside looks to be travelling a bit smoother than Diamante on the outside. They're 7 and 8 in advance of Bermuda Triangle, who's starting to close from the back, followed then by Black Eagle, who's dropping off, and then Fairfield around the bend for home. Isabel looks to be going the stronger. Diamante on the outside. The danger might be Bermuda Triangle, who's starting to roll home down the outside. Isabel at the 200 metres. Isabel has kicked away. Diamante over on the inside. Bermuda Triangle about 5 lengths off them.
Yan, congratulations sa winning connection ng Bell Racing Stable. Gayon na rin sa may-ari na si Ma'am Nina De Leon.
Thank you very much to everyone who's here. Salamat po sa pagsuporta po sa horse racing industry po namin.
Lalo na kay Kuya Donnie Sordan.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat tayo sa mga tumatangkilik sa mga kabayan ng Bell Racing. Patuloy na
At syempre sa winning jockey, JB Hernandez.
Congratulations you want to say to your mga supporters?
Nagpapasalamat po sa bayan ko rito sa komisyon, tapos sa boss ko kay Boss Elmer tsaka kay Ma'am sa connection ng Bell Racing.
Thank you. And of course, di po ito matutupad without the support of PCSO and Philracom. We have you, Attorney Lysel. Thank you so much.
Dito sa part na to, mapapanood natin ang mga kabayong nagwagi sa ating mga special races ngayong araw ng linggo.
Moving alongside of Georgia the inside, Rapido the outside. This is almost a carbon copy of the last time they met. Rapido takes the lead away. Georgia fighting back. Rapido, though too strong, draws away, and Rapido has beaten Georgia. Third is going to be Confident Surge, and then came Solid.
Clear up the stretch. Primavera looking good. It's Primavera. It still keep on running strongly by 2 lengths. Midnight Bell not done yet. Fight song is with Andre Marvelous next. King James running in fourth. It's all Primavera. Primavera takes the German Cup Division 2. Goes for second between Marvelous Maxi. It is still Gentle Dance in hands of Patty Dilemma. It's Gentle Dance still very well at this point. Leads by about 3 to 4 lengths from Go San Diego. Gentle Dance. Gentle Dance is still good at this point and hits the finish line for the first leg. Hopeful 6th race.
Jungkook, Bayer Bell can't do any better. Neither can Don Julio or Easy does it. Look at Circus Crowd go. Circus Crowd raced away with a big lead inside the 150, and it's all Circus Crowd. Circus Crowd down to the wire, wins the Chairman's Cup, and he wins by 5 from Jungkook. Third is going to be Easy does it.
At dyan napanood natin yung mga nanalo at nagwagi sa ating special race ngayong araw ng linggo. Muli ito si Easy Win Racing na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtutok at pagsuporta sa ating munting YouTube channel. Kita-kita tayo muli sa Wednesday, Bayang Karerista.